How's everybody today? I woke up this morning and seen your comments about the food videos. Very, very nice. As you've seen in the first one I did about food, I didn't want people commenting negatively about the Thai kitchen. You know, am I Thai? No. Am I a Thai citizen or anything like that? No. But you know, I live here and I appreciate the culture and I appreciate the style and mindset of the people. So don't want people, you know, negative comments. And I think I got 99.999% positive comments. So we're on it. So I'm very happy to I did the first one, just that talk, and then the second one last night I had an idea, so I went and did it, and I'm really pleased that you enjoyed. I didn't think I'd ever be a foodie video man. But it was fun. I enjoyed that. You know, in some of the comments I got about that video, people said, do I grow herbs here? And I said, I have many herbs here, but not in a traditional herb type garden. You know, I brought the herbs here, and I didn't bring all the herbs here. The basil, I got basil growing in the back, white and purple basil growing, and it just happened to grow by itself. I didn't bring it here. I don't ever remember seeing it here before. It just started growing, so don't know how that happened. But I did bring oregano here. You know, I read it. You see in some of my videos, I study a lot about herbs for health reasons. I don't have any health problems, but that's why I study about it, because I don't want any. You know, what is it? An ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. So I just think if I educate myself on what to eat, what is Hippocrates said, let thy food be thy medicine. So I tried to put in my earth suit the right nutrients so I can stay healthy, and then I don't get sick, and my liver and kidneys and everything's function well. So, but I did bring oregano here, like I said. I just wanted to show you something. I thought somebody planted this, but it just started growing. I didn't plant it, and nobody else comes here to plant stuff, so how did it get here? But what I do is, like, I'll take herbs into the house for food, and then I have a little box for all my food scraps, like anything that food, like organic, not meats and things like that, or noodles, but just anything fruits and veggies and herbs, I put in that box. And then when I, you know, clean the kitchen, I come outside and throw it on the plants. So look at this. So this plant here is called Kem. Right? This is a little bit pink. It's in the sun. This one over here is more red, but it gets less sun, and you can see that the flowers are more red. This one's a little bit more pink. That's probably because of the nutrients in the soil, etc. This can get some more sun. But look what's growing right in the middle of it. Oregano. Right in the middle of it. So I guess what happened is I threw some oregano underneath it, just a leaf or a stem, and it took and grew by itself. I didn't plant it. You can see herbs just grow by themselves sometimes, and I don't know how it happened. But anyway, I got oregano growing. So what I do is, you know, if I have a smoothie, maybe 3 or 4 leaves, just throw it in the blender, spin it, and off it goes. And like I said before, I don't make a smoothie for flavor. I make it because of the nutrients. So if it's a little bit bitter or tastes funny, that's not something I think of. I just down the hatch. Anyway, I got a place I want to take you today, and I think you'll enjoy more food. So let's go. this is a little shop that I was telling you about. Sometimes I come to in the village, and what I get is the fish. This fish here. It's grilled fish.
Yeah.
My name is
My name is Goy.
And there's the owner over here making some tom.
Come from Thailand.
From Thailand?
I'm from Thailand. Oh, I just go England.
You go to England? Uh-oh, so now somebody's got a marriage proposal. She wants to go to England. Sawadee krab. Two. What we got here? Look at this. I love this. So you can see, get the fish, and he pulls it all apart. He's a really friendly guy, this guy. He's from the East, Isan, and he had a stroke about a year ago now. And he was in a bad way for a while, but he's much better now. He's been going to somewhere doing like a detox and physiotherapy, but he's moving. Now chop it all up. It's like a grilled, barbecued fish from the river. Okay, I'm not sure what that herb is. They put whatever that herb is. Let's see if I can see it. It looks like the wet ginger dried a little bit. I don't know what I call it, wet ginger, but it's not. So whatever that is, I don't know the name. And you can see he chops it up and mixes it with the fish. Lemon juice or lime juice. Salt. I don't know what that is. Fish sauce. Okay, interesting. Add all that together, stir it up, and cook it. Look how thin he cuts that onion. Really thin with a big old knife. Some greens. Like chopped onion, I think. I'm not sure. This is the stuff that makes the flavor. So the brown stuff is actually rice, roasted rice, and then ground up. Not cooked, but roasted and then ground. And then puts it in the bag. take home. So he had a stroke a while back. He had a stroke about a year ago, and he said his arm's better, but his leg's still swollen and doesn't want to work nicely. So he's still, I mean, he can get around, but he don't have to travel far, which is good. But his arm's working, so he can use it. Not as good as the other one, but anyway, he's getting better. One of the things I did a while back is I said to him to have a smoothie to help his health, and I said put oregano in it, and he heard about it, but he didn't know what it was. So I bought him a plant. I got a cutting and got it to grow, and then brought it to him, and he's looked after it. Look at this. So he's gone from one pot with his oregano in to 2 pots to 3 pots, because oregano will grow. So the oregano's growing. He's got 3 pots of it now. It'll keep on growing too. It's fast. But you think the health benefits of it, and it grows so fast, it's kind of a no-brainer not to have it, huh? Sawadee krap. His mom. Lime. Oh, fish sauce. Some tom. Oh, that's like white papaya. I forget what it's called. And stir it all up. That nice sharp. Bye bye. Thailand smart.
Yes, yes.
Okay guys, back home again. So lunchtime's now turned into almost tea time, evening meal. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on a plate. Ready? Okay, so there's my food. This is Isan food from the east. It's fish. I showed you them cooking it or putting it all together, and then somtam, which is like a form of a papaya, but it's not the fruit papaya, it's like a vegetable papaya with nuts and veggies and all kinds of different juices and fish sauce and stuff like that. And then they give you a big lump of basil, and that's it, and some sticky rice. Okay, time to eat. So AC on, fan on, I got a cold drink of tea, time to chow down. Okay guys, see you later. Look after yourselves, bye.